Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 25th, 2024, and we're diving into Western Digital's latest earnings report for the fiscal first quarter of 2025. Joining us is John, our Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Western Digital's performance, especially given the significant developments in their financial results this quarter.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Western Digital reported a net revenue of $4.1 billion for the first quarter of fiscal 2025, which is a 9% increase sequentially. John, can you shed some light on this?
Absolutely. The revenue growth is primarily driven by a 17% increase in cloud revenue, which now represents 54% of total revenue. This growth is attributed to higher nearline shipments in HDD and enterprise SSD bit shipments to data center customers. The company's diversified product portfolio, particularly in the cloud segment, is a key driver of this performance.
And what about profitability?
Western Digital's GAAP earnings per share came in at $1.35, while the non-GAAP EPS was $1.78. The gross margin improved to 37.9%, up from 35.9% in the previous quarter. This margin expansion reflects the company's focus on operational efficiencies and cost management.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, Western Digital's operating income saw a significant increase. What factors contributed to this?
The operating income surged to $742 million, a 244% increase from the previous quarter. This was achieved through a combination of higher revenue and a 29% reduction in operating expenses. The company has been disciplined in its capital investments and operational strategies, which is clearly paying off.
Looking ahead, what is Western Digital's guidance for the next quarter?
For the fiscal second quarter of 2025, Western Digital expects revenue to be in the range of $4.20 billion to $4.40 billion, with non-GAAP EPS between $1.75 and $2.05. This guidance reflects their confidence in continued growth, particularly in the cloud and enterprise SSD markets.
Strategic initiatives and market position. Western Digital's CEO mentioned the strength of their diversified product portfolio. Can you elaborate on their strategic initiatives?
Certainly. The company is focusing on its enterprise SSD and Ultra SMR technology as core pillars of growth. The enterprise SSD has rapidly emerged as a significant growth driver within their flash business. Meanwhile, their Ultra SMR technology offers the industry's highest capacity hard drives, providing unmatched reliability and performance.
How is Western Digital positioned in the market with the rise of AI?
With the proliferation of the AI data cycle, Western Digital's flash and HDD product portfolios are well positioned to capitalize on significant opportunities. Their focus on innovation and quality positions them strongly in the market as AI adoption continues to grow.
Risks and litigation matters. John, there was a recent development in a litigation matter involving Western Digital. Can you provide some details?
Yes, a jury returned a verdict against Western Digital in a patent infringement case, amounting to $316 million. The company believes it has strong arguments to contest this verdict and expects to prevail. They are currently evaluating the appropriate accounting treatment for this matter, and the financial information reported does not yet include any impact from this development.
Will this affect their financial results?
While the GAAP results may be impacted once the assessment is complete, Western Digital does not expect any changes to their reported non-GAAP financial results. They are committed to resolving this matter while maintaining their operational focus.
Key takeaways. In summary, Western Digital has delivered a strong performance this quarter, with significant revenue and profitability improvements. Their strategic focus on cloud and enterprise SSD markets, along with operational efficiencies, positions them well for future growth. John, Any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
Western Digital's robust financial performance and strategic initiatives make it an attractive investment, especially with the positive outlook for the next quarter. Investors should keep an eye on the resolution of the litigation matter, but overall, the company is on a solid growth trajectory.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Western Digital's performance in the comments below. Until next time.